Hi, I'm Tim Tuason of Mototesto. Mototesto basically started way back early 2000. So it started as a overlanding company from my parents. So since bata pa kami, they love to go outdoor and explore. So when we created Mototesto, we didn't know about the overlanding term. So, research lang namin siya. Then, meron palang ganon lifestyle. Yun yung naisip namin na gawin, na i-introduce yung lifestyle to explore the beauty of the Philippines. Basically, Mototesto pioneered overlanding in the Philippines since early of the 2008, and it was established as a company noong 2011. So, yeah, we've been through many parts of the Philippines, brought in products that we built our rigs to go overlanding. So then we also created the event before pandemic, kasi mga tao mostly nang nagse-set up ng vehicle. Meron tayong notion na it's dangerous to travel outside Manila. So, but it's not really true. No? You just have to be vigilant and common sense lang. Siyempre yung mga medyo shady na lugar, huwag na natin puntahan. Pero mostly, the Filipinos are very hospitable. Kahit saan ka pumunta, generally safe naman. And as long as you're not a threat to other people and you respect other people. Monthly, we create events to encourage and inspire other people to go overlanding. And yun, at least may kasama sila, na research namin yung lugar, na naabisuhan, mga ganon. So makikita nila yung mga iba-ibang lugar na magaganda dito sa Philippines. Example, Lake Tabeo. We've been going to Lake Tabeo siguro 2012 pa or 2013. So wala pang tao pumupunta doon. Recent lang siya na medyo sumikat, pero noon talagang raw pa. So na-introduce siya sa amin ng isang good friend namin na ganoon din ang lifestyle niya. Early days pa si Sir Teng Soreta. So siya yung kauna-unahang nakamotor pa nung pumunta sa Tabeo, rough road pa siya. Our dreams, kumbaga, is to introduce the Philippines, its tourism, travel via overlanding to foreign and local tourists, na napakaganda ng Philippines na pwede nating makita at puntahan and ma-appreciate natin. Mas maganda pa kaysa sa mag-travel tayo abroad do. So, ang daming magagandang lugar na hindi nyo akalain na meron ganon dito sa Philippines. Monthly, meron tayong mga small overlanding event. Kami nag-organize. Ang purpose namin is to go out, explore. Since ito yung lifestyle na gusto namin, might as well magsama kami ng mga gustong sumama at may pakita namin yung ganda ng Philippines. Meron siyang bayad, but yung bayad niya, it's the cost of, syempre may mga pinupuntahan tayo, meron yan mga camp fee, meron yan mga LGU, barangay fee, yung mga ganyan, DNR fee. So, yun lang naman yung mga bayad. Kino-compile lang natin kung magkano yung mababayaran. Let's say meron private campsite na rinent natin exclusively. So, it will be divided kung ilan yung sumama. Mga ganun. Yun lang naman. Meron naman mga camp na minsan we do overland with a purpose. So, we do medical mission, we do community outreach. So, kino-compile lang din namin kung ano yung mga cost na kailangan natin if we're going to charter Roro or we go yung mga kailangan i-donate. So, kino-compile na rin yun, yung cost. Then, it will be distributed sa mga as a donation also. Mototesto started noon as wala masyadong overlanding gear dito. Usually, kung nakasanayan natin in early 2000s, ang mga tent natin, yung mga Coleman, yung mga ganon, di ba? So, when we go camping. But, yun nga, We started building our rigs, pang sarili lang namin. And then, mga friends and family na naisip na gustuhan din nila na ask na makikisabay kami na para i-build yung mga rig. Doon na nag-grow yung product line. Kumbaga, pag nagka-camp kami before, isa-dalawa lang kami ng family na meron nun. So yung the rest, ano yan, parang kakaiba yan. So nagustuhan nila, then doon na nagkaroon ng unti-unting dumating yung mga produkto. Lalo na nung nag-pandemic, biglang nag-grow yung overlanding dahil sa mga tao wala nga mapuntahan. So, naghanap tayo ng kung saan tayo pwede pumunta na may open air, social distancing, mga ganyan. So, doon naging mas sikat pa yung overlanding. But even before, Mototesto really focuses in overlanding's lifestyle. That we brought in mga product that we tested and we knew na yan yung parang para sa amin, yun yung gusto namin na produkto and talagang it works on us na how the equipment we want it to be. So anything naman that we sell on overlanding, ang ano niyan is making our journey and our experience more convenient and easier. So it's more on, let's say, dati mag-i-start ka as meron kang awning for shade. Then lahat ng gamit mo naka-crate, naka-box. Ibababa mo, setupin mo yung table. Up to a point na lahat pop-up na lang, dehila na lang, may drawer system yung yung sasakyan mo. Mga ganon. Tapos meron kang power system na pinapatakbo yung refrigerator, matcha-charge yung mga phone mo. Even up to an extent yung iba, meron pang TV, meron sound system, may projector, may ilaw. Parang, kumbaga, lifestyle siya na na you go into the wilderness pero bit-bit mo yung buong bahay mo. From there, we also grew our product line dahil we continuously do our research, we continuously want to upgrade the experience. So, currently, Mototesto has more than 20 brands that we brought in from US, Australia, South Africa, Europe, China. So, iba-ibang produkto siya na talagang helps you enjoy more yung overlanding lifestyle. So, example, we have the Koni suspension at my back. That's Expedition Global Grade Suspension na yan yung talagang ginagamit sa mga Arctic Expedition sa Africa, sa Australia na talagang reliability wise unmatched siya. So meron siyang unlimited na mileage na warranty. Ginagamit siya sa Rally Dakar, mga ganon. Then we have the Icon suspension, yun naman yung mostly for American version ng vehicle natin, no. Nagiging popular na kasi mga American vehicles sa Philippines. Tapos we have the power brake. Syempre, when we load all the rigs, we outfitted it. Yung weight bumibigat. So, we need to, for safety, we need to be able to stop that weight. So, we have the power brake. It's a South African made na product. It's also used in Rally Dakar racing. So we have the front runner roof rack system. We have the Lightner pickup bed racking. We called it the Lightner ACS, active cargo system. So siya? Napakaganda. It's a modular system na nakakabit sa pickup bed mo. Able you to put roof tent, put modular pads. Pwede mo i-reconfigure, wala kang bubutasin. We have the Wildland, yun yung mga roof tent. We have the Alubox crate. Yung mga crate na yan are space grade aluminum. It's actually used by NASA to transport equipment to International Space Station. So yun, deck naman is a pickup drawer system na weatherproof. It's made in the US, designed originally for first responder, then adapted for leisure, overlanding, and work utility. So it's a weatherproof drawer system sa pickup bed na kahit wala kang canopy, nandun yung mga gear mo, hindi siya mababasa. We have the MMOV and Boss Aluminum. So, yan naman yung medyo parang major operation tawag natin doon kasi it's a pickup bed replacement. So, it makes your storage or your pickup bed surface capacity larger by 40%. Then may full-size canopy siya, so yung space capacity mo is also bigger and more organized. So mostly makikita natin yan sa Australia, yung tinatawag nilang Ute. So from there, meron tayo yung mga tie gear and Maxtrax. Maxtrax is a recovery system. Yan, recovery board. Pagka nalubog yung kotse, nawala ng traction, maputik, mabuhangin. So importante yan dahil hindi mo naman laging gustong gamitin, pero pagka kailangan mo siya tapos wala ka na, di ba? Best siya kapag ka nandyan siya. yun yung mga some of our brands that we have. Canopy system ng pickup, RLD. It's a South African product, stainless steel. Makikita natin marami dyan nakakalat sa labas ng mga sasakyan at mga display dito. We also develop our own awning na mga 270 na free floating at a very reasonable price, and still mga 3-4 years na siya, working pa rin siya. So okay, happy naman kami na na-enjoy siya ng mga customer. We have our showroom here at San Juan, also our workshop. So our workshop, mga rigs pupunta dito to be outfitted ng overlanding setup. First, pwede silang mamili, or you can just come here if you're interested. No pressure, no commitment na kailangan mong bumili. You're interested on this lifestyle, just come and we can discuss and talk about overlanding. Usually, we recommend kung ano yung meron kang vehicle ngayon, just join us on our trips na i-try nyo muna. Kung na-enjoy nyo yung lifestyle, doon nyo makita kung ano yung mga talagang gusto nyong product, then bago natin i-set up. It's installation naman, it's free. So ang message ko sa mga bagong interested on this lifestyle or na-experience nyo na yung lifestyle, bago nyo i-set up yung vehicle nyo, sama muna kayo ng overland camp. Pasyal muna tayo, makikita nyo doon yung mga iba-ibang setup. Parang ma-interview nyo, makausap nyo yung mga each owner of the vehicle na iba-iba yung mga setup. Then magkakaroon kayo ng idea, and then before ka gumastos. Ito yung common question ano bang best vehicle na dapat for overlanding? The best vehicle to go overlanding is the current vehicle that you have. Kahit ano man yan. 4x4, hindi 4x4, pwede pa rin yan pang overland. Meron lang syempre mga limitation yung mga hindi 4x4, mas limited yung mga places na pwede mong puntahan. But the important is you do your research na yung pupuntahan mo ba is kaya o hindi. And then, syempre, punta ka doon sa kaya. Then from there, pagka talaga na-enjoy mo na yung lifestyle, then that's the time na you buy your gears. Or if talagang after that, mostly naman ng mga gears is modular So, let's say, roof tent, pwede mo yan ilipat Then, if your 4x2 outgrew you, then pwede mong palitan ng 4x4 eventually. But no need to spend a lot of money immediately. I-enjoy nyo muna and i-try nyo muna yung lifestyle. Kung talagang enjoy kayo and you want to go further, then that's the time na alam nyo na experience nyo na, alam nyo na kailangan nyo at hindi nyo kailangan, ano yung gusto nyo, then dun na kayo gumastos para hindi doble. Okay, I would like to invite everyone na interested to go into this lifestyle. Visit us at Mototesto showroom here in San Juan. Makikita nyo sa YouTube yung mga pinagagawa namin, some of our builds also. Makita nyo kami sa Facebook, nandun yung mga contact details. So again, I'm Tim Tuason of Mototesto for All About Wheels Manila. Thank you and good day.